This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use Osclass Submitter classified ad submission software. This software posts ads automatically on 26 high traffic classified ad websites. Now you're going to need a Windows machine, Windows 8.1 or later, and you're going to need Chrome installed on your machine. You can also use a Windows VPS, and all that is a Windows machine hosted remotely. I'll have another video on that. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to need to register accounts on all the sites. And we have two tabs up here, automatic account registration and automatic ad submission. So you come to automatic account registration, you fill out your credentials. This is going to be the name that shows on the actual classified ad website. So people will see that. This is your email and your password. Now you have to use like a Gmail account or Yahoo account. You cannot use @yourdomain.com. Any major provider is good, AOL, whatever, but just not @yourdomain.com. Okay. So you come here, you fill out your credentials, the name that you want to be shown on the website, representing you, representing your business, your email, your password. You click register. And what's going to happen is going to open up Chrome and it's going to go to each of the 26 sites and register you. You see it's opening it up right now. It's going to come to the first site. It's going to come to the registration page and start filling out the information. So here we are. It's coming here and filling out the information on the site here. And you're going to see it submit. You're going to see a little green success message. There you go. And now you've registered. Now it's going to go and register on all the other sites, the same exact process, one after another. And you'll see here a little account of how many sites you've registered on. And this will go back to 0 after you've registered all the sites. So if you restart the software and it says 0, don't worry. If you went through the whole process and registered, you're good to go. Okay, you could actually go and register a whole other set of credentials if you wanted to. So when you restart the software, this will go back to 0, just so you know. So next thing you want to do is come to your email account and check. Now here it went into the spam, so you got to look in the spam folder as well. Okay, and you need to come here, and I'm going to do this one, report not spam, and come into the inbox. And it says, please validate. And for each of the 26 sites, you come here and you click validate. And it says, your account has been validated. Now you can post to this site. And you're going to get emails like this from all the different sites. You see, I've got the different sites here. Now I want to come here. I'll report not spam. And then I'll come here and actually confirm that account. See, they're all over here. So I can just click it from right here as well, from within the spam. But you want to click report not spam so you get all the other confirmation emails. So now once you've done that with all 26 sites, you've registered and confirmed. Now you can post your ads. And when it actually registers here, you'll get a little green success message here as well. There you go. There was the success message that you just saw. Now, before we go on to the automatic ad submissions, I just want to say that it's best that you register with a Gmail account that you haven't used on any of the sites before. Maybe you've been using our free software and you've been posting on some of the sites. It's best to use an email where you haven't been posting before, a brand new, fresh Gmail account. Because if you already have an account on those sites, it will not register. Okay. It'll say you already have an account on those sites. All right. So let's go to the automatic ad submission. Now, first, when you come here, you got a drop down. You won't see anything in the drop down right here. You have to click the arrow to see in the drop down. Okay. And we have 3 test ads here for you. And what these are example ads, but also they are for the affiliate programs for classifiedsubmissions.com, Coolmarketingsoftware.com, realppvtraffic.com. So you can sign up for free for all these programs and put your affiliate link right here for any of these, and you can promote these programs with this software. Okay, so you would need to put in your own email address and your own password. Okay, now if you want to put your own projects in, which I assume you do, click clear fields, right? And you come here and you put your project name. Okay, you put the credentials that we just registered with over here, put those credentials, and you choose the category, right? You choose the subcategory, if there is one for that, like here, all right. And then you put in your title or titles and description. Now, you can use Spintax, but it's simple Spintax. You can just use Spintax within Spintax. You cannot use Spintax within Spintax. That's the type of Spintax that you can use, okay? If I want to put another Spintax within here, that's not going to work. So just simple Spintax, okay? And in the description, you could use text. You can use HTML, but you can't like go to an HTML editor and just copy and paste that in here. You can basically just do like line breaks like that, or bold, like bold, like that, things like that. You can do links and so forth, but you cannot go to an HTML editor and just copy it in, because it puts all kinds of code in there that does not work with the site. So just basic HTML code that you type in, you can make hyperlinks, whatever, or you can just use text ads. Now you can put your keywords in here. I'd say no more than 10. It looks strange if there's more than 10. So this is optional. Address, phone. Put your website link in here. Make sure it has the full HTTPS, www. If it's an affiliate link, put that in there. No problem. Just make sure that you have your link that you want to promote there, because this will automatically hyperlink. You don't need to know HTML. So you could put a text ad here, and if you don't know any HTML code, and you put your link here, and it's going to automatically hyperlink. Now, if you have a YouTube share URL, you could put this here. It only works with a YouTube share URL, and it'll actually embed the YouTube video into the ad, right? You can put your Facebook page here. Now, if you have an affiliate link for classifiedsubmissions.com, you could put that here. Okay. You've got the currency that you're using. Again, this is optional. Now, the images, this is the tricky part sometimes. You can just use .png images with this. All right. So .png images, and it needs to be less than 400 kilobytes in size. Otherwise, it'll block and not post. So if it's not posting, usually that's the number one culprit, is the image. It's too big. So make sure you have 400 kilobytes or less as the image. So this is what it looks like when it's all filled out. Okay. We've got the Spintax. You don't have to use Spintax, by the way. We've got like basic HTML code. You look and see how I do this, just mainly line breaks and links. And once you have done everything, I'm going to name this test project. Okay, test project. Okay, it's easy for you to say. And I'm going to click save. Now it's going to save the project. Okay, now I can come here, clear fields, come to the drop down, and I can load this up, right? That's basically it. You fill out all your information and you click save, and you're ready to go. Now you put how many ads that you want to submit. You click here and click start posting. Now it opens up Chrome, it fills it out. I don't even know if this account is active or not. We'll see. And it's going to, well, it is. Okay, it's going to log into the website. You're going to have this pause here for a few seconds. Sometimes it'll show a website here, and it'll go and start posting your ad. Now it's posting the ads. It's picking the category that you chose. It's going to pop open the description and fill out the description. Okay. Sometimes it's good on the first few ads just to follow it along in the browser, just to make sure there's not any errors, that the websites are accepting your ad. It may give you an error message, and maybe something you need to change in your ad. So it's good to follow it along to see. Now here's kind of a strange part. It'll look like it's posting a paid ad, but it's not. Okay, it bypasses that, and it's going to post a free ad. So when you come down here, you'll see, oh, it looks like it's going to post a paid ad. No, but it will post a free ad for you. That's how the software works. So it's going to come down. Then the last thing it does is the image. Okay, it did the image successfully. You're good to go. And if it gets stuck, that's the culprit usually. Now, here we go. This shows that your ad has posted successfully. That's how you know. You see that little picture there that you have? And it's posted. Now it's moving on to the next website, on, and it's going to post your ads. We saw that had the one ad posted successfully, so it is successful. That's a successful submission. And if the ad posts, it'll be successful. It'll show here. You usually get about 75%. That's a good number. Every ad won't post. Sometimes the site could be down. Sometimes there could be an error in your ad or something that particular, or your site could be blocked or whatever. There can be issues sometimes. So if you can get, you're dealing with a live browser. Okay, see it popped up here. So anything can happen with a live browser. 75% success rate is really good. And it's still going here. So just so you know here. So don't expect it to be, if you put 100, it's going to be 100. Maybe it'll be 70 or something like that. So that's basically how the software works. First, register your accounts. Second, automatic ad submissions. Fill everything out. And just use simple HTML. If you use HTML or text, save your project. Click the drop down to see your project, and you're good to go, and you can post ads. And if you need help, let us know. Now, I suggest getting Windows VPS. That is a Windows machine hosted elsewhere. I'll put a link where you can get that. If you get the Windows VPS, send me the login to your account there with the hosting company, and I'll set everything up for you on the Windows VPS. And I'm going to have another video specifically for the Windows VPS, how to use that. Okay, so here's your tutorial on how to use Osclass Submitter. You can get a free trial of Osclass Submitter right here, the link below, or you could order it right here as well. Okay, and you can order it. Okay, so and you'll have immediate access to it once you order it, and you can do the free trial. And the only difference between the free trial and the main version is that the free trial just submits 10 ads max. Okay, so click the link below to get it, and if you already have it, now you know how to use it. Thanks a lot. This is Matt with Coolmarketingsoftware.com.